Ashimi! Can you hear me calling you?
Did you need me, sir?
Yes, give me your unvarnished opinion.
What is it?
I thought it over, and I decided we should put up something fun and unexpected in the office next summer, like this Somen noodle slide. This is just a model. I can almost hear their laughter as they pluck the noodles out of the water. It's just the sort of thing to put a smile on everyone's face.
No way. Why would you waste your time on this? Now, let's talk about your schedule for today.
You crushed my bottle! This place is too stuffy. I'm trying to jazz it up with some out-of-the-box perks like those startup companies with a gibberish name!
Startup companies don't have noodles sliding around the office.
You're a secretary, and I'm the CEO, last I checked. That bottle cost a whopping 300,000 yen to put together!
That's a lot of money, sir. Now, I know you wouldn't dream of charging this to the company, right?
Maybe.
This is all coming out of your pocket.
No, Jimmy, wait! Please, I beg of you, can we talk this over?
What would your father think of this?
You're killing me, Jimmy! Don't make me pay for that bottle myself!
Diary of the Duckling, Episode 6. Let's do it.
You have to have Ebola to know the way.
You really want to get married and quit your job?
And that's why you signed up for yoga?
It's simple, really. In other words, you get a sculpted yoga buddy, land a boyfriend who makes good money, marry him a year or two from now, quit your office job ASAP, and live happily ever after. Roll credits.
I mean, when you put it like that, it sounds kinda...
Oh, let's go.
Was that
Is that
because of what I
somebody
said?
doesn't know to get my
It would be
girlfriend?
different if you liked somebody. As it stands, you're looking for an easy out. I don't mean to chide you, Retsuko, but marriage has plenty of its own pitfalls. What if the kids run you ragged and you feel like a zombie all the time? Or that loving husband turns into a cold fish? You can't pick the man you'll share your life with purely out of financial convenience. You don't want your husband feeling like an ATM after all. Maybe you'd like to stop nodding and contribute?
I don't know how marriages work, but where couples end up isn't always where they start out. If you end up in love, you can marry whoever, right?
Whatever. If that's what you think, good luck.
She's
Right.
right. Getting married so I can run away from my job isn't the greatest coping mechanism in the world. But still...
Fail.
Front center calendar.
Always on
I
edge,
tried to
knowing
be
it's not a matter of if, but when.
When?
The kill zone gets bigger
I
every
tried to
day.
do that!
Always
I
gone
tried to be thinking about that!
How am I
The
supposed
first
to
time
survive this?
As long as you're at it. Me too.
Thanks,
Thanks,
guys.
guys.
Need to get on the bandwagon.
Get in on it now, fellas. Calendar ain't gonna be here very long.
How about some dish rack water with that tea, huh?
Enjoy. At least you didn't say thank you.
Hey, Mr. Toad. Thanks for taking me to the golf course.
Hey, happy to do it. Real pleasure having you out there with me.
Oh, I don't remember you having that club before. It's so cool.
Yeah, way to pay attention. I got a brand new driver. I shot an eagle with this baby first time out.
That's awesome. I mean, it sucks for the eagle, but whatever. That's their problem.
The hole was a dog leg, and I was down by 2. I blasted that ball into the wind and took the lead.
Awesome, 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 awesome.
Tone's not going to be able to fit his head through the doorway by the time she's done with him. If I kissed even a fraction of that much ass, I'd drown myself in shame.
Why me? I need to talk to somebody else. Knuckles!
Do you know the way?
Monkey! Monkey, take food in the kitchen and sit down in the store.
That's unexpected. I don't think we've ever grabbed dinner together.
Yeah.
Do you mind
You
if I
know, you
ask
try
you
to be
something?
asking me something. I wonder if Johnny is thinking for thinking about me, thinking about
Do what to who?
from that
Manipulate
Mr.
Tone.
Thorn.
I mean,
You know,
it's like you've got him wrapped around your little finger.
think about.
That is so lovely of you to say, but it's nothing unusual.
Hey, monkey, can you say ow? Maybe you're trying to be thinking about me, don't ya?
Tell me, when I talk to Mr. Tone, does it look like I'm kissing butt?
What? Sonoda! Yes, I guess. Right, monkey?
I'm messing with you. I know I kiss butt. What does the voice in his head say? It isn't hard to figure out.
Pig on the block.
Typical man, right? I just say out loud what he's thinking in his head. It puts him in a good mood, and that makes the workday go a little... It's the same as telling a girl they're cute. There's no harm in it.
Sure, why not?
Here's your order. Sorry about the wait.
Okay. So, what happened to this talking about me?
Doesn't he win?
I'm waiting?
If it keeps him from acting like a caveman, maybe all of us are the winners that day. Betcha folks around the office hate me for it, huh?
Yeah, I don't want to try to kiss my butt. I don't care what it is. Hey, monkey, can you say where's my house?
Where is my house? I know Finico does. Honestly, that girl hates me.
What are you thinking about me?
I gotta lie, because I don't really care either way.
Hey, monkey, can you say you want to help me to look my house?
Help me to find my house. Let me just get a picture real quick.
What? Hold on. Why is there a picture of Retzko having dinner with freaking Sonoda? What's going on with you and Sonoda? I need some answers.
It's nothing.
Becoming one of them, aren't you? One of those people who live for social media, who give their firstborn for a couple of likes and reposts.
I'm serious, it's nothing.
Oh, hey, Retzko. I fixed your laptop. Check it out.
Wow, you did?
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
But thank you for a lot.
Yeah, I deserve a vacation. Yeah, I deserve a vacation.
Mr. Tone, are you practicing your swing? That is so incredible.
What do you mean?
Oh, the swinging part. I thought it was just beautiful.
What the hell?
Is something the matter?
Last night I went to pick up my chopsticks and pulled something. I got this real important round of golf coming up Saturday, and I'm hurting like a son of a... Now I get it. You're poking fun at me.
No, I didn't do it.
Mr. Toad, how can I use your pain?
Grab me.
Happy now? This is all your fault.
Why no?
Why me?
Why did this happen?
The way you thought, did it? I am proud of you for trying to face the problem head on, though. Remember the 300,000 yen reimbursement you wanted for that model? I'm happy to report that the issue has been dealt with.
Wait, so you did take care of it? Oh, what a relief. Thank you so much, Washimi. I knew you wouldn't hang me out to dry like that.
By the way, sir, there's something else I wanted to discuss. It's about Tone down in accounting. Listen up. You can't bury your head in the sand. Tone's behavior is having a direct impact on a female employee's mental health. If you do nothing, what's to stop her from going to the internet with all this? But if you want to see this company's name dragged through the mud, then by all means, let the problem sort itself out, sir.
Yeah.
But I still need to cut the check.
Check.
That's okay. I only told the CEO the issue had been dealt with. I never said a word about it being dealt with to his satisfaction. Devious? Sure. But I had to twist his arm to do the right thing by you, so I'm not going out of my way to waste funds on him. Besides, I lost the receipt.
Washimi, I love you!
I love you so much!
Maybe your management style comes off a little strong, that's all I'm saying, Tone. I need you to walk the straight and narrow for me, okay? Just try not to rock the boat from now on.
How exactly do you want me not to rock it?
Well, be more approachable. Make sure you're creating a modern work environment, whatever that means. And for heaven's sake, don't bully the women.
Well, that was the end of the story.